Hey there, folks. Today we're talking about a soothing garlic eardrops recipe for earaches. Garlic has powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a great natural remedy for earaches. When mixed with sweet oil, a purified olive oil found at most pharmacies, it helps ease pain and promote healing. Sweet almond oil can be used if sweet oil isn't available. This simple remedy can bring relief and help your ear heal naturally. The recipe makes about 100 doses. What you'll need is a 1/8 cup of sweet oil or sweet almond oil and 2 garlic cloves, crushed. All right, let's get started with how to make it. Step 1. Combine and heat. In a small saucepan, mix the sweet oil and crushed garlic. Warm the oil over low heat for about 30 minutes. Check often to ensure the oil is warm but not hot. Don't let the garlic cook. Step 2. Strain and store. Strain the oil into a clean container, compost the garlic, and let the oil cool to body temperature. Pour the strained oil into a 1-ounce dropper bottle. Store it in the refrigerator for up to 1 year, warming it to body temperature before each use. All right, now let's talk about how to use it. Step 1. Lie on your side with the sore ear facing up. Step 2. Use an eyedropper to place 5 to 7 drops of the oil into your ear. Step 3. Gently insert a cotton ball to keep the oil in place for 10 to 15 minutes. Step 4. Remove the cotton ball and let any leftover oil evaporate naturally. Step 5. Repeat this process up to 4 times a day for a maximum of 3 days. That's it for today, folks. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more amazing natural remedies. And hey, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts or your own tips.
Cowboy cures where life endures. Natural paths open doors. With nature's hand, we'll show you the way to live life better day by day.